It's mother versus daughter, Ipsy Glam Bag time. So, if you want to tell us who's got the better box, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy.
I'm Chloe.
And Bandit's off hiding under the bed because we're about to have a thunderstorm. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. I missed Choice Day. I totally forgot about it. So I have no idea what's in my bag, what's in her bag. We didn't choose anything in here. Let's see how Ipsy did this month. So we both got cards. Mine has information, hers doesn't. You just never know. Sunny days ahead is the theme. Yep. This is the bag. It has this cute little pull. And we each had an item outside of the bag. Do you want to go over yours first?
Brush.
This is by Chica Beauty, and it's a really pretty eyeshadow brush. My item outside of the bag, it's like a palette of some sort. It says Formula Z Glamgasm. So we both had one full-size item so far. There is how that looks. That's a Chloe palette if ever I saw one. And that's a $32 for this little thing. It's $32 value. Oh my. All right.
I got a makeup spreading spray from Dazzle Me.
I have a Plush Tint by Benefit. Love Benefit. Does it say the color? Purr. P-U-R-R-R, like a kitten. All right, here is the size of it. So this is obviously a deluxe sample, but oh my, that is.
Oh.
Pretty though, I like it.
I got the same palette you did.
Oh, and yours was not. So she got the same palette. I got by Jasmine Beauty. What is this? Brow Boss. This is the Brow Boss Styling Wax. I'm going to guess this is a clear. Yep, it is a clear. And is that full size? Nope, that's a deluxe sample. All right, what you got?
Mascara by Wonder Beauty.
That's the Mile High. That's a curl mascara, right? Curling? Yep. Oh no, Mile High Club. Is it a curling?
Yes.
What it says?
Length and Define mascara.
All right, lengthening and defining. All right, I got a brush by Chica Beauty, but it is different than hers. This is the dual-ended brow brush.
It's your toothbrush.
That's interesting. So we have that end and then this end, which is kind of interesting. And that is a, what's this say?
$12.
$12 value.
I got like a face scrub.
That's the one that you have at home, the full size of that you like.
Yeah.
It's by Galactic, and it's the Fruit Superfood Sugar Face Scrub Mini, and she really loves the full size one. Might want to bring that to camp.
Yeah.
And my last item is by Balance Me, and it is a pre and probiotic cleansing milk, and this is a deluxe sample. All right, so who had the better bag? We had a couple of repeat, no, just one repeat, right? Yeah, so we each had one repeat. All right, so I have the palette, the lippy, the brow brush, and the brow wax, and the cleansing milk. And Chloe had?
I have the eyeshadow brush, the makeup setting spray, the face scrub, the palette, and the mascara.
So both pretty makeup forward bags this time, and I think they did pretty good. Let us know though, what are your thoughts? Who had the better bag? All right. Well, thank you so much for spending a little time with us. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully we'll see you soon.